Hey, hi. Do you want to get rid of this continuous growth of hair? I recently came across this natural hair inhibitor or natural hair retarder by Elimination. First, remove hair from the desired area with your regular hair removal method, whether it is waxing or even if you use razor. After cleaning the desired area, it's time to grab this amazing product from Elimination. It comes in this kind of packaging and has a pump which makes it really easy to use. Apply enough quantity of product on that area, massage clockwise and anti-clockwise motions until the product penetrates into the skin. Repeating the same method with every hair removal session, you will notice that hair growth has reduced and the need of your next hair removal is delayed. And the continued use of elimination shall result into permanent reduction of hair growth, setting you free from the lifelong battle with hair growth and frequent hair removal. Also, it moisturizes your skin. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.